Welcome guys, my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the Rubik's Cube. It is a six-sided one, and I'm going to take you through on how you can solve this. Uh, First of all, we are going to, there are six colors. We have three types of pieces: two-sided, three-sided, and one-sided. The center pieces do not move, so we are going to concentrate on the three-sided ones and the two-sided ones. First of all, is we are supposed to choose a color, and I'm going to choose green to be the top color. Then the first step is to align the cross. Have the cross here, and this cross has to extend up to the center side piece. To do this, we are going to look for pieces that have the two-sided pieces that have the green color and the color at the middle on the side. We can start with the orange. Orange is already aligned, so we are just going to twist it once. We can see we have aligned there. We have a cross here that is coming up. We can go to yellow. Then we look for the piece that has a yellow and it has a green. Must be two-sided. Here it is. It is already aligned. So we are only going to turn once. So we have this and we have this. Then we are going to go to red. We are going to look for that piece that has green and red. Where is it? Where is it? Is it green and red? Here it is. And we needed to come up to this point. So we are going to turn once. Then we turn twice. So you can see we already have this one now. The only piece that is remaining is this one. So when it comes to here, we can see the green is, so we need to turn this one first and then we rotate. To do this, we are going to bring this one down, put that one back, turn this one. You can see now it is aligned, then rotate twice. Guys, you can see we have the cross now. We have the cross up to this point. The next thing is to fill the corners. Fill these four corners, the top color. To do this, we are going to look for the green. It must be facing you, not down. It must be facing you. Then we rotate it up to the point where the other color of the green, not the down one, the other color of green meets the yellow meet. So this green now we can bring it back up here. So we are going to turn this one once, bring this one down, bring this one back, then bring that one back. You can see it is already aligned. We look for another one. It must be on the layer below the green, the last layer. So we look for the other color. It's yellow, so we look where yellow is. It's there. So this one is supposed to be here. So we bring that one. We turn it once. Bring this one down. Bring it back. Then we bring it up. You can see we've already aligned the two corners. So we have the other two, which has a white. We repeat the same process. Bring that one back, down, back, then up. So you have the four corners aligned, and you only have one that is not aligned. So the green is here. First of all, we must bring that green on this layer, and it must be facing you. So to do this, there are different ways, but I'd like to just go the easiest one. We are going to, wherever the green is, we are going to bring it once up to the edge that is not correct, then bring that down, rotate once, bring that back. Then we look for the green where it is. We can see the green is aligned. So we take the green to where we can see the yellow. Then we bring that one, bring it down, bring up, then bring back. Guys, you can see the first layer, the top layer is done, and the first layer is done. The second thing is to make make the second layer. This is the second layer. To do this, guys, we remember we must keep our cubic facing up, depending on the color that we chose. So we are going to look for a two-sided piece that does not have the below color, the low color. Our low color is blue. One of it is yellow. This one piece, yellow and orange. Assuming it was there, we look for a yellow and orange. We are supposed to bring it so that it is aligned to the orange is aligned to the center piece of the orange. And once we do that, we'll notice that the below color, either on this side or on this side, matches this. You can see the yellow matches with this yellow. So we take this one away, we bring this one down, we return it, bring that one back. You can see we have already disorganized this, but just two steps, we are going to go back, bring that one back, down, up, we are done. By doing that, guys, you can see we have already aligned that corner. So the next thing is to align the other corners. We have yellow and red here. So when the red is here, we have the yellow and the red. So we take away from red, bring that one down, back, up, we return the green, and we are done. You can see we have aligned the yellows. We still have one piece that is left to be aligned to make this rubiks second layer aligned, but we need to turn now this piece. To do this, we need to first remove it from this point. To do this, you can just turn it that way, bring that one back, up, away, back, up, then we are done. So here we have it. We go to where white it is, the orange is here, so we repeat the same process. Guys, you can see the second layer is already done. Once we get to this point, we turn the rubiks upside down so that now the blue color faces up. We have to repeat the same process. We have to make a cross here now. There are three occurrences whereby the rubiks can form in this form. They can appear in this form after we complete the second layer. We have a line here. So what we do is that we turn this one up once, so that now the green is here. We bring this one up, so that we have the two here. Bring it, take it away, bring it back. Now we can restore this. We make sure that the two layers are not damaged. Once we do that, we can see we already have that cross now. After that, we need to align the corners. We need to align the cross here now. There are two occurrences after we get the cross, whereby this one can appear. First of all is what we have here, that the two correct sides are opposite each other, or the two correct sides are just directly or diagonal to each other. So this is what we have. Now we can have the two correct side facing each other. So once we have the two sides that are opposite, just turn it so the wrong side are facing. One is facing towards you and the other one is facing away. Then we turn once, twice, down, bring it back, up, back, down. Then we can try lining them again. We can see we've lined the cross. So now the next step is to look for correct pieces, how the correct pieces are aligned. You can see this one is correctly placed but not well aligned. We can also see that's the only piece that is correctly aligned, correctly placed but not well aligned. So we just have to do the process, the last step, but we do it on this side and this side. That wait once, 1, 2, bring it back up, bring it back up, then repeat the same process, 1, 2, back up. So now we can see the pieces were aligned in at the corner, and now we can hold this piece on this side so that we start moving the corners again. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. Still not yet. Can move the corners. Then we can turn it, see whether we have turned any. That. Repeat the same process. Okay, see now we've moved this. These are correctly placed. Once this step occurs, we'll see that the two blue sides are either facing far away from you, or just one is facing you, the other one is facing here. So we make sure they are facing this way. Turn it 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Bring it back and do the same process. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Bring it this up, back. We can see our Rubik's Cube is solved. For any comments, questions, feel free to post them. Thank you.